Green Building Council is supporting the Build Up Skills project because we're all about transforming the sustainability of the built environment. We do that in a whole variety of ways. We lead industry action, we bring people from the industry together to lead projects in this area. We look to influence government policy around sustainability, and we look to build skills and the capacity of the industry to understand these issues and how they can embed them in their everyday activities. So education and training is a hugely important part of what we do, and the focus of this particular project on the tradespeople, the people who are practically engaged in delivering our built environment is an important part of that.
What in your view are the most important recommendations?
I think the report highlights just how important skills and training in this area is. The sustainability of our built environment is a relatively recent challenge that people are focused on. Things are developing and changing very, very rapidly. So we need to raise awareness and build skills right across the industry. I think the report recognises the important role that government needs to play here by supporting this through funding, raising awareness with professional bodies and the trades right across the piece. This government, of course, famously set out to be the greenest government ever, and there certainly are a number of initiatives that have been introduced over the last couple of years that are hugely important for the built environment sector. One of the biggest of those is the Green Deal, the government-backed mechanism for funding retrofit activity in our homes and existing buildings. This is a huge opportunity for the industry. Something like 80% of the buildings that we're living and working in 2050 will be ones that we're living and working in today. The challenge for the industry is how can we retrofit and refurbish those buildings and make them as energy efficient as they need to become if we're going to meet our carbon reduction targets and our energy efficiency targets.
Do you think the government is doing enough to encourage industry and raise awareness of what industry needs to do with its workforce?
There's a really important role for government to play in terms of encouraging the industry to invest more in skills and training around sustainability and energy efficiency. We're obviously still facing a very tough economic climate. It's very hard for businesses to justify non-essential expenditure. And some of those businesses are very worried about whether or not the government is really committed in this area, whether some of these policies, initiatives that they hear about are here today and gone tomorrow. So what's most important is that government emphasises that these things will be here for the long term. They need to do that by sending policy signals and regulatory signals that show the industry they're serious and that they can genuinely invest, gear up, skill up to deliver on these initiatives, that it won't be a wasted effort and a waste of money in a couple of years' time. So the consistency of message from government is all important.
What do you think is the best way in raising awareness among employers about the types of energy efficiency training that they're going to have to equip their staff with?
I think employers themselves need to better understand the scale and the breadth of opportunities that there will be around energy efficiency and sustainability, and therefore the importance of making sure that all of their employees are sufficiently trained and upskilled. The Build Up Skills UK project is really important because it's starting to raise awareness of how we must embed awareness and a knowledge of sustainability and energy efficiency right across the industry. Things are changing very, very fast. There are new technologies, there are new products coming out all of the time. Therefore, we need to embed energy efficiency and sustainability within existing qualifications and build in a requirement for continued professional development so that people are constantly retrained and upskilled as developments occur.